Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Codegems, and today in this video we're gonna learn how to create conditional columns with the help of an example in Power BI desktop. But before, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it and hit the bell icon so you can never miss any video by Codegems. So what are conditional columns? Conditional columns, as per name, like a column which is generated as per certain conditions. Most of the people about the if and else condition, like it is the most famous conditions in the programming languages. On the basis of if and else, we create columns in Power BI. But for this there is no, like for this Power BI desktop conditional column, you do not need any sort of programming syntax knowledge, but you just have to remember few things, like if you know these rules like equal to, greater than, less than, etc., so you can simply create conditional columns. And number two is, we can apply multiple conditions to the column. We are not restricted only to a single condition. For better understanding, let's jump in right away for our practical approach. Now you will see the data set of our conditional columns. We have cloth sales data set right now in front of you. We have months, region, state, and everything is in front of you, but I do not want to waste my time to describe this data set. So right now we have to set up some conditions, like we have sales here, and as per our sales we have to create some condition. For example, I want to give a bounty on a particular condition by sales. Let's save the quantity. Like if I go back to the slides, let's say if the quantity or the sales is greater than 0, create a column with the name as a status and set up a bounty for that salesperson. And if sales is less than 800, so the status will represent a penalty. And if a sales is greater than or equal to 800, then we will have a message, and it will call keep it up. So we have the conditions right now. Let's implement it into the Power Query editor. Now I will import the data set. First I have to get the data set from here. Yes, same conditional columns, open it. So we have the sales table over here, and we will transform this data set into Power BI Power Query editor. So guys, here you go. We have the sales data set available over here. Before editing and before doing anything, I will change the data type to fixed whole number and replace with the current. So we have the dollars, we have the currency available, and I will remove this column for now. Yes, now I will go to add columns, and here I will click conditional column to provide the conditions for our new column. You can see over here we have new column name, so I will name it as status. And here we have the conditions over here, like column name, what kind of what column we are taking to generate a new table, a new column. We're taking sales, and what we have decided, if we go back to our, yes, we have sales greater than $2,000, we have bounty on it. We go back, so it's greater than 2000, so we have bounty on it. We will click add clause to set up a new condition. We have the same column name, and what is the other condition? If the sales is less than 800, it will show penalty. Now we'll select this one is less than 800, so we have penalty. And if creating ad clause, sales, and the third condition is if the sales is greater than or equal to 800, is greater than or equal to 800, keep it up. Now we will hit OK to get the results. So here you go. We have bounty available, we have penalty, and we have the new column has generated. Condition sales greater than 2000. We have bounty over here. So if we go here and check, this is more than 2000. We have bounty that is more than 2000, 4000. So we have successfully created the conditional column. And for the penalty, less than 800, we have penalty. 190, 300 will come up in the penalty area, and greater than or equal to 800, it will be keep it up message. So the conditional columns has been set up. Now we'll go towards the home and close and apply. So the pending changes have been applied. Now I go here and can see the status column over here. So I will play with some visualization. If I click to slicer, and for the slicer I will get the status. Now I will go to format and items, and items should be increased in size so you can see it properly. So we have bounty and keep it up and penalty, and now I will drag the pie chart. Now I will have the salespersons over here and telling about the sales. Okay, then okay, go back and format the items. So there you go. I've increased the I've increased the text size, so you can see over here. Now right now I will click here for the bounty, so you can see we have those salesperson that are associated with the bounty: Lucas, Elijah, and Michelle or Michael, whatever you want to say. So this is the visualization thing. So after that we can play with other visualization as well if we want to. I just want to show one example. If I choose map and put the regions over here and the salesperson, so bounty has been shared with the Michelle or Michael in the region south, and all of the data of Michael or that person. Yes, if I go over here and put this one, I go back to keep it up, so you can see over here we have Oliver that is with the keep it up message, and I can also see the penalty people who has the penalty right now. So Alexander, Mason, Jacob, Benjamin, and Logan as with the penalty for the sales. So this is how we create dashboards. This is how we create conditional columns in Power BI desktop. Thank you very much for taking out some time to see my video, to watch my video. That's it for now. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can never miss any video by Kodegems. Bye.